Here we have the Trump Trumatic 500 CNC punch. Just going through a dry run.
Hold on, man. I'll pick up the pool.